Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by checking prerequisites. Make sure you are level 25 or higher and have the main questline completed, then equip Fire Assistant armor. Once done, fast travel to the ruined, keep waypoint, and set a temporary save. Begin by clearing the outer patrols quietly to avoid prolonged fights, and keep one healing potion ready. Move toward the eastern gate. Disable the alarm. Use a stealth approach or a ranged takedown so you preserve resources for the boss encounter. You now progress into the complex middle. Follow the crypt map markers and solve the 2 rune puzzles in sequence to open the inner chamber, because doing them out of order resets progress. Once inside, engage the mid-boss using crowd control abilities to limit adds. Switch to ranged attacks when your health drops below 1/2. Make sure to manage stamina. Use 1 heavy attack per enemy group and dodge rather than block against heavy hitters, and collect dropped keys immediately to avoid backtracking delays. You reach the finale. Place the 3 relics on the altar in the correct order indicated by the mural, then trigger the ritual. Timing the placement prevents the Guardian from spawning extra adds. During the Guardian fight, exploit burst damage windows after its charge attacks and heal in the brief safe moments between phases. If the ritual or door fails to open, reload the last checkpoint, swap the relic order, and retry. Performing the sequence without haste fixes the common desync that blocks completion, and you'll finish cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.